Start off the vlog right here. Hi guys, welcome back. It's actually 2 days after my birthday. I'm officially 26 years old. I'm gonna buy stuff for my birthday. I have a coupon to use, an Ulta coupon that's like spend $75, get $15 off, plus I have a $25 gift card, so I'm gonna snoop around there. I want to run to Old Navy and get some stuff and like snoop around there. I feel like I need more like sweaters and things like that, so let's go. So I just got done out of Ulta. I'll do a little haul later on. I only spent $40 of my actual money, so I am under budget for Old Navy. And I really hope they have this like coat thing that I want. It's on sale. They have like 50% off of everything. It is hot in here. Oh, someone's parking next to us, so we're gonna go to Old Navy. I overspent. So it is some time later now, and we're gonna do the Ulta haul and Old Navy haul. I'm so excited. I spent altogether $200. I did have a coupon and a gift card for Ulta, so technically I spent a little bit more than that, but of my own money I spent $200, but that's okay. It was my birthday, so let's start. I wanted to get some more blush, so I got this Milani blush. I thought it was really pretty for the fall time. And then I got, this is my third NYX like fat oil lip drip, and this one is in the shade Sprinkle. It's a cute little fall mauve color. And then I really wanted to try the Fenty Skin Rihanna's new like body sprays. This is in the Vanilla Flowers, and she smells actually really good. And on the shelf it said that this was, out of all of them, this was Rihanna's favorite one. It smells good. It's like a little fall, it's a little vanilla fall-y, quick little spritz. I like it. I've been seeing everywhere about this Bioma hydrating milky toner. I've been wanting to try the Rose Beauty milky toner, and I actually got it for my birthday. But we're also gonna try out this one too and see how I like it. I feel like this is gonna look really good like underneath makeup to make your skin like really glowy, so that's kind of what the point of that was. Morphe Drip Glass Glazed Lip Gloss, and this is in like another pretty like red mauve color, and this is Unbreakable Brick. I guess it is more like a brick color. I think this is super cute. And then I also got the Essence Slim Stick long lasting lipstick, also in the shade like in like a mauvey pinky brownie reddy color. I kind of got like the same colors of everything. Whoops. Time for the Old Navy haul. Old Navy got me. This is where we went downhill. And one thing about Old Navy is some of their items are cheaper online than they are in person. So if you go shopping in store, you can always price match if the price is cheaper, and you just ask the cashier like, this is cheaper online, like can you look, and it was cheaper. This is like my favorite thing I think I got. Look how beautiful. And it has like the green little accents, and it's super fuzzy inside and out. And then I got this like little cute little button down shirt thing, long sleeve, and it's so pretty. It has the cute pattern on it. It's so cute. So I've been wanting to get back into like the basics, so I just got a long sleeve black shirt that is gonna go with so many outfits, so I had to get that. Gray little tank top. They're both ribbed, which I love. And I got this little brown sweater turtleneck. And did I get it in? I thought I would got it in like medium for it to be like a little oversized, but I got it in small, but it's okay. And then one of my other favorite things that I got that I was not even planning about, but I've been like thinking about, I got little shoesies. These little cuties are so cute, and I wish I had them when we went out for my birthday. I got my outfit for my birthday was so cute, but I wish I kind of had these. These would have went with the outfit perfectly, and they were kind of comfy, and I was like, okay, they're in my size, they're 30% off, why not? So I bought them. And it's okay because I like them. It was my birthday. In the mail. I have fallen victim to the polymer clay making hobby. So I got this kit on Amazon for like 20 bucks, and it literally comes with everything. And then they literally have so many different colored clays. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think the easiest thing to make is some blueberries. I'm gonna make these bananas now. Seems simple enough, right? They turned out kind of cute. I made a little banana one. She's cute. I made a popsicle with like the little stick. One of those like little messenger emoji things with the heart. If you know this cookie, you know, little frosted, cutesy strawberry. And then I made some blueberries. My Mosh Podge is gonna get delivered tomorrow, so I think these are gonna look a lot cuter when they're glossy. So, and while I was making these little clay things, I was listening to the audiobook. I just recently got into audiobooks, and I've been listening to The Sun Does Shine, and it's about a black guy who got convicted of a guilty charge when he was actually innocent, and he got on death row for it. And it's just kind of like his life going through the prison system. And then another thing I'm also reading is through the library. I'm actually reading it on my phone, and it's called Kindred by Octavia E. Butler, and this is actually my book club book of the month. Really good book. I think it's like science fiction or something like that. It's like a modern day, modern like in quotations, because it was from like 1970s modern woman, and she would go back in time to like pre-Civil War times, and she met up with this little boy named Rufus. It was on a plantation. Actually a really good book, and a very different perspective, and a book that I usually never read. Hi guys, I just got done doing my workout of the day. I haven't been to the gym in like a couple days, so I'm like, okay, I need to at least get some sort of workout done. So I just kind of did a whole little body exercise, something kind of quick and easy, but now I'm hungry. It's 6:30, so I'm hungry, so let's whip this up.